Understanding, to be in short pants. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, to be in short pants. This idiom might sound straightforward, but it holds a fascinating meaning and usage in the English language. Let's explore together what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. To be in short pants is an idiom that essentially means to be very young or inexperienced. It draws on the imagery of a young child wearing short pants or shorts, which is often associated with childhood and, by extension, a lack of experience or maturity. This phrase can be used in various contexts, often to highlight a lack of experience rather than to comment on someone's actual age. The phrase, to be in short pants, has its roots in the fashion and cultural practices of the past. Historically, young boys would wear shorts until they reached a certain age or maturity level, at which point they would graduate to wearing long pants. This transition was seen as a rite of passage, symbolizing the move from childhood into young adulthood. Thus, the phrase metaphorically implies that someone is not yet mature or experienced in a particular area. In modern contexts, to be in short pants is less about clothing and more about highlighting a person's lack of experience. For example, in a professional setting, someone might say, "He's still in short pants when it comes to managing a team," indicating that the person is new to team management. Here are a few more examples. Despite her age, she's still in short pants in the world of politics. You can't expect much, he's still in short pants regarding this project. When using to be in short pants, it's important to understand its connotation. It's often used in a light-hearted or mildly mocking way but can be seen as offensive if not used carefully. Always consider the context and the relationship between the speaker and the listener. This phrase is perfect for informal discussions or creative writing when you want to convey someone's inexperience without directly stating it. And that's a wrap on to be in short pants. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this intriguing English idiom and how it can be used to express inexperience with a touch of historical flavor. Remember, language learning is all about discovery, so don't be afraid to explore new phrases and expressions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting language learning content soon.